bring this elevator car back down so you can light up there.
All right, please excuse that alarm. Looks like there's something wrong with that alarm panel right there, but anyways. I know I filmed this elevator before, but this is gonna be a take. Awesome, red and green, nice. This is exactly what I needed for my Christmas, for my Christmas take. But anyways, this is gonna be a Christmas annual take on the elevators at the chemistry building. Woo, that dropped so hard. Here at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. Oh my gosh, that lantern is covered. This has got to be relay logic Dover elevator.
Going down?
Yes, I am. What floor would you like?
Let's see. Ground, please. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great day, sir.
You too. Good luck to y'all tonight.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it.
All right, we're gonna switch elevator cars to the basement. The cab has obviously been redone. Interesting enough how they have the green covers on. Indicator does not work. Hopefully it won't stop a lot. Door close button does not work, but the door close when press the button, which is interesting. This one's replaced with an EPCO gong chime. Similar elevator. They also got new door sensors you see right here. But anyways, there it goes, and hope you enjoyed, and Merry Christmas.